pleasure to introduce Scientific Webs. We've been working with Govind for about 6.5 years or so. He's produced 4 websites for me now. He does some of our SEO work. He's done a lot of site mapping for us and various other things. Anytime I have an issue, I don't call GoDaddy first, I call Govind. Because the Scientific Webs, they actually get back to you in a reasonable time. He's always communicative. He helps in more ways than I can possibly express. And operating a law firm in a business that requires encryption, requires security, requires pretty much moment-to-moment website maintenance, he's our guy. And I think he also charges us an amount which is very reasonable, very affordable, especially considering his level of expertise. I really appreciate him. I appreciate their whole company, and I hope that you'll choose them too. They're doing great work for us.